Hey guys, I am Lakshay. Welcome back to my channel. First of all, sorry because I'm not able to upload videos regularly, but from now onwards you will definitely get videos on time. And here we have Apple brand's new iPhone 11, which was launched in September 2019. As we all know that Apple is continuously doing great in mobile phones, and I'm telling you guys, this is not an Indian retail unit, so you will see a different pin charger. So guys, keep watching this video. I will tell you about this phone in later part of video. Before I start guys, please do subscribe, like and share this video and show your love and support. And let's unbox this, find what's special in it from Apple. Let's begin. So here we have Apple brand new iPhone 11. Apple has come with this iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max in 2019. This is a successor of iPhone XR. The box is same as iPhone XR. This iPhone 11 also features a new anodized aluminum finish, which Apple says is more durable. There is also Dolby Vision audio. It is powered by Apple's new A13 Bionic chip, which Apple starts as its fastest processor ever. As for battery life, the iPhone 11 packs a 1 hour longer battery life than the iPhone XR. The iPhone 11 is available in 6 colors: black, green, yellow, purple, red and white. I'm having the yellow one. Now it's time to unbox this. First of all, have a look on its box. On side of the box, iPhone is written, and at back, as you can see, this is the 128GB variant. It comes with 3 storage variants: 64, 128 and 256. Firstly, remove this plastic film over this box. And there is no other seal over that box. So firstly remove this lid. And here is the phone itself on the top. Put this lid aside. This color is actually looking great than what I expected. This is very pleasant color. Firstly put a phone aside and find what's inside the box. Pull this out. Designed by Apple in California is written over here. There is some Apple stickers, guide, SIM ejector tool and some basic manual. Behind this, at bottom, you will get this old 5V output charger. As we know, this is very slow charger, but iPhone supports 18W fast charger, which you have to buy separately. Apart from charger, you will get this AirPods with a lightning connector. It means that you will not able to see 3.5mm jack in this phone. And at last, you will also get this lightning to USB cable, and it is the con of the phone. It is the con of the phone because you will not able to charge your phone and use your AirPods simultaneously. Now it's time to boot up the phone, and by the time it's actually boots up and set it up, let me tell you deeply about its features, pros and cons. First of all, talk about its display. It has Liquid Retina HD display, 6.1-inch all-screen LCD multi-touch display. With IPS technology, it's rated IP68, which means it's splash water resistant, and it is powered by A13 Bionic chip 3rd generation neural engine, which is 20% faster and consumes 15% lower power than previous chip. Now it's time to talk about the main highlight of the phone, its camera. It is the dual camera setup with 12 megapixel ultra wide and wide cameras. Ultra wide comes with f2.4 aperture and captures 120-degree field of view. Wide camera comes with f1.8 aperture. It has 2x optical zoom out and digital zoom out up to 5x. It has optical image stabilization, which helps you to get less blurry images and smoother videos. And Apple has done a great in night mode. It gives you much better image than you expect from night mode. It also have brighter true tone flash, and you can also record 4K videos with both the cameras at 60 FPS. And now you can also record slow-mo with selfie camera. It has Face ID enabled by True Depth camera for facial recognition. And its battery lasts up to 1 hour longer than iPhone XR, which provides you up to 17 hours of video playback and up to 65 hours of audio playback. Apple has mentioned on its website that you can charge up to 50% in just 30 minutes, but with 18W adapter or higher, which you have to buy separately. I'm asking Apple, when you are speaking so much, please provide it in the box. And it comes with the latest iOS 13. Now I have set it up the phone and it says welcome to iPhone. First of all, let me give you the physical overview of the phone. At top you will get this notch, and here you will get all complete hardware for Face ID. And Apple has also improved this front facing camera, which is now of 12 megapixel. At bottom you will get this lighting port, and on one side is mic and the other side is speaker, but don't worry, you will get stereo speaker option. And on left side you will get this mute switch and volume up and down buttons. And at back you will get this single piece glass, and this time Apple logo has been repositioned at the center. And this is a true tone flash and primary microphone. And here you can clearly see the camera bump. There is an additional glass for that camera portion. And on right you will also get button to lock and unlock and to activate Siri. And on the top of the phone you will get nothing. And this is the single SIM tray option, but don't worry, phone supports dual SIM with eSIM. And this is the basic layout of the iPhone, and I'm not able to see the difference in the icons. And let me show you general information about the phone. And it shows it is running on software version 13.3. And you will get 115 GB free space in 128 GB variant, and nothing else to show. And let me check, is there any software update? Yeah, it's showing software is up to date and it is running on iOS 13.3. You will also get dark mode in the display and brightness section. It seems to be good. Nowadays dark mode is essential. And let me show you the close-up shot of camera section. As all we know that Apple always provide best quality. And now you can also use night mode, which is very good. Okay, I will show you the options you will get in the camera section. First of all, let me click some shots, and I'm able to see that colors are good. It is providing you the natural tone, and I have already told you that you can record up to 4K at 60 FPS. So from here you can change that on very top right, and you can also record at 24 and 30 FPS. And all same options are available in this camera section. And in portrait mode you can add filter by just like this. And its volume rockers and silent switch is responding well. And now it's time to test its Face ID. As you can see, this is very fast. Apple claims that this is 30% more faster than iPhone XR, but you are not able to catch the difference between them. But you can also unlock the phone at different face angle easily. And now it's time to check its screen colors. I'm going to play one of my video. And this is an LCD screen, but you will get resolution almost more than 720p. And contrast ratio is 1400:1. But I would like to say that the screen quality is much better than other LCD screen I have seen till now. And now it's time to test its processor. So this is Asphalt 9, and while playing this I feel no such lags at all. And this new A13 chip is performing very well, and you are able to see the graphics in the game. I played this game for around 1 hour, and we all know that Asphalt 9 is a heavy game, so I didn't feel that phone was heating or something like that. After this I opened the PUBG Mobile and played it for same time and get the good response from the phone. I'm able to play this without any problem. It means you will not get dissatisfied by its performance. And Apple claims that here you will get 20% improvement from previous chip in terms of CPU, GPU and machine learning. And guys, this is the in short story of this iPhone 11, where the main highlight is the latest brand new dual camera setup, and the performance is next level with this latest chip. And tell me in the comment section below how much you like this phone, and I will also provide you the buying link in the description from where you can buy easily. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And you will also follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, and user ID is showing on the screen.